Good morning.
Good morning, sir, madam. I am Nerissa Garati, 43 years old. I'm a single mother. I have 2 kids, 1 girl and 1 boy. I finished my study, high school graduate, work experience in Saudi Arabia 2 years, finished contract, and then also in Brunei 4 years, finished contract.
Okay, and what is your work in Saudi Arabia?
Housemaid.
As a housemaid or domestic helper?
Domestic helper, sir.
And then in Brunei, what is your work there?
Caregiver.
Caregiver. Okay, and going back to your Saudi Arabia experience, when did you go there?
September 23, 2007 until September 25, 2009.
And how many are there in the family?
There are 7,
7. Okay, and who are they?
sir and madam, and then 5 children.
5 children. Okay, and what are the ages of their kids?
They have 16, 12, 10, 7, and 2. The youngest.
The youngest is 2 years old.
Yes.
And is your madam stay in?
Stay out. She is a teacher.
She works as a teacher. And who's taking care of the children?
I
You?
take care the children.
Okay. And do they have other maids inside the house aside from you?
I'm only one.
The only one. Okay. And can you tell me your duties as their domestic helper?
Cleaning, marketing, cooking, washing, ironing the clothes, and then take care the babies.
Okay. And let's go to your work experience in Brunei. You said you worked there as a caregiver.
Yes, sir.
And when did you go in Brunei?
November 12, 2009 until November 23, 2013.
Okay, so you worked there for 4 years.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And can you tell me the number of family members?
There are 6 in the families.
And who are they?
Sir and madam, and then 4 children.
4 children. What are the ages of their kids?
The eldest is 33 and then 32, and then the youngest is 30. Twins.
Twins.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
You mentioned in your form that the youngest are disabled children.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you describe a little? Describe the condition of these disabled children.
The 2 boys is cerebral palsy.
They have cerebral palsy. Okay.
Cannot talk and then cannot walk.
Cannot talk and cannot walk.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you are taking care of these 2 children.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and do they have other maids inside the house aside from you?
Yes, sir.
How many?
2.
2. So total of 3, including yourself.
Yes, sir.
So the 2 maids, what are their nationalities?
Together with me, 2 Filipina and then 1 Indonesian.
Okay, 1 Filipina and 1 Indonesian.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you work as a caregiver, right?
Yes, sir.
And the other 2, can you tell me their duties?
Cleaning, marketing, cooking, washing, ironing the clothes, and taking take care the dogs, and then the chicken.
The pets.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, can you describe to me your duty as a caregiver?
I take care the 2 boys. I give the food and then take a bath and then bring outside.
You bring them outside
Yes, sir.
for fresh air.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, about yourself, can you tell me the ages of your kids?
My children,
Mm-hmm.
the eldest is 24 and then the youngest is 22.
22.
1 boy and 1 girl.
Okay. And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong for my children's schooling and then their future.
Okay. Nerissa, do you know how to ride a bicycle?
Yes, sir.
Do you know how to swim?
A little.
A little. And can you say that you are a pet lover?
Yes, sir.
And what kind of pets that you like?
Dogs and cat and then the other, sir.
So, do you think you can handle big dogs?
Yes, sir.
So you're saying you're not afraid of big dogs?
Yes, sir. I cannot afraid.
You're not afraid?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And can you sing a nursery song?
For the school kids.
Yeah, just any children's song,
Okay. Twinkle, twinkle.
please.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Very good. Now for the last question, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please select me as your helper because I am a good servant and well experienced, hardworking.
Very well said, Miss Nerissa Garate, and I hope to see you in Hong Kong. Thank
Yes.
you.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Goodbye.